Hello, welcome to this section of web design series. In today's section, our focus we're going to we have create uh, a header for our site in the last session. For this, in this section, we are going to create footer for our website. So from dashboard of your WordPress, then you scroll down to pages. Okay, okay. From the pages, you can view the site, right click, open in a link, open link in a new tab. Then from here we go to plugin, go to plugin, installed plugins. So from this section we can actually view the site, the page we created with Elementor, which is set to video home. So from the plugin page, scroll down uh, to this plugin, Elementor header and footer, click settings. So from Elementor header and footer builder, click new to create a footer for our website. I will say header, say footer underscore WP. Then come to template type, say footer, display entire website, add rows, display blog and post pages, display display all pages. You can still add more. Okay, that's okay. We just remove this. Now come here and select user role, all, enable layout for Elementor canvas. Yes. So once that is done, hit publish from here. So after that, we can now click edit with Elementor. So now we have this Elementor page. So like we did while we were building the header of this website, we can select from Elementor template library, or we can create our own from scratch. Right. Okay, let's take this. So I'm going to have a header here. Just make it H3 or the H4. H4 is okay. Then I'm going to make it okay. So we'll call this one quick links. These quick links, you can say light up should be white. Now come to this section. So this section, top uh, top padding, top padding should be 50. Then bottom padding can be 20, as the case may be. We'll go back to the elements. So I'll give this guy color. So let me come to this place. Go to use this kind of color, style, then copy this color, then go back to Elementor footer, click this section. After clicking this section, from style, background type, color. Okay, so I'm having this. So the next thing is to, let's see if we can bring list, icon list, let's say, to work for me. So I can say remove icon, remove icon, because I don't want to display icon along with it. So once this is done, all you need to do is to come here and say text color should be white, right? So just remove this icon, delete. So we can now list our own quick links items here. So I'll go back to my write-up. Then I have this for quick links here. The first is partners. So if you have partners or your client have partners, you can list out your partners on your site if they permit you to do so. Award. The next is a reseller. To have more of this, you just click here to duplicate. Then from this write-up, keep copying. Why us? So the next is our team. Duplicate this, paste it here, our team, and then career. If you have anything with respect to career, just put the write-up here. Just hit update to update the site. After that, can preview, can view the site. Okay, so this is what we're having. So what I need to do, I can duplicate this, move it here, duplicate this, and as well move it here, right? So this is actually called information. Then we have blog as an item under information. We have blog fact, terms and conditions. So now I'm done adding them. I have blog, FAQ, which is frequently asked questions, terms and conditions, privacy policy, our team, and refund policy. Refund policy indicates you're selling content through your website, and before your users purchase any of your products, they will have to read your refund policy. Should there be a problem with the product that they purchase from your site? Okay, so from this right up, I have a content here. I'm going to add. All I need to do is just to duplicate this header. I'll move it here. I'll bring some right up from the Elementor panel. I'll bring text. Sorry, not header. Text. I'll come here to make this text white. Right. So I'll go back here to copy this right up and then proceed to the side and replace this dummy text with it. Highlight and Control V. Alright. So should this content is still more, we can actually ask people to view more or read more So we can preview the site. So this is what we're having. This is how you build your own footer instead of importing an existing footer in the Elementor library. So I'm going to style this column. I'll come here and say this column should have a border, but it will be border left of 1 pixel, of 1 pixel. Let me say 1. Then here we'll call it solid so that it will show. Let's update the site and see. So we can preview the site. Okay, this is what I'm having. This is not what I want. So what I need to do is just to come back here and see. Okay, it was a mistake. So it's not border radius, rather is this. Just left 1. No, I'll tick this so that it will not apply to all. Left 1. Also have 1 there. You can see the color should be white. The color of this border should be white. Then I can come here and say advanced. Give me a padding of 50 from left. Then I'll update. So after updating it, I can then visit it and see what I have. Okay, this is actually beautiful. So now we're going to use another color for this line. It's too bright, so I'll go back there and say, first of all, click this, go to border. Now come here and say, give me this color. Then update it and see how it looks. Okay, let's visit the site. Okay, this is what I am having. I think it's actually okay. So the same way, I have to give this section bottom padding of 50, right? So as well, I'm going to apply border to this. Let's see border bottom. Go to border solid, then bottom should be 1, right? So I'm going to duplicate this. Once duplicated, I should have something like this. So I can now delete column, delete the column, delete column. So I can click here and see this should have 2020, right? Now the border bottom of, sorry, border. Okay, it's okay. So I'll just update. Okay, let's see the site and see. This is what we're having. So after to play this section and erase the content of all the content in it, so I'm left with one column. So therefore I'm going to add new column. So in this new column, I'm going to drag social icon so that we can connect the site to our social media pages. So a user click here to take them to our Facebook page. So from here, I'll say circle. From style, I'll say it shouldn't use the official color. Rather, I want to give it a custom color. Custom color of this. Let me click there. Then I can give it a kind of transparency. Yeah. So I'll click here and I say this icon should be aligned to the right side of the screen. So this I'm going to call it let me just duplicate this one and bring it here. Then I'll take this one off. So just erase this and say copyright. Say all right reserved. Let's say copyright 2023 ABX Cybertech all right reserved. So I can update the site. So once it's updated, I can view the site too. So this is what I'm having. So what we're going to do is to see if we can view the site and see if our footer is showing. So if we preview the page, we find out that we have our footer showing here. So now we have a complete website, a complete home page with both header and footer. So let's just edit this to read more so that the user will understand that he's meant to read more. To click here to continue with this paragraph. So from here, I'm going to say this text should be like right, left, Okay, the text is already aligned to the left side of the button. You can see center align, right align, left align. So we are going to leave it this way. So the only thing we are going to change here is to say read more, update. So once that is done, so we can now go back to the site, refresh. So once we have these corresponding pages, so we can come back here, can come back to the go back to the footer and link each and every one of these item to the corresponding page with respect to them, right? So for now we are done with our home page. So the next in the next session we are going to start creating our other pages for our website. This one that we're seeing, there are default pages that comes with the website, the template, with the theme rather. So we're not going to use it. So we are going to create our own pages from scratch in the next session.